Hi. Are you going to get up on your belly for him today? Can you roll up on your belly? Not if I put that too close, you can. What do you think? No, no rolling on your belly. What do you think, Sam? What do you think? You gonna get your toes? You got your toes? What are you gonna do with your toes? Not much, huh?